Sir Toymac Binobo Sir Toymac Binobo Artificial Insemination and Services. Guys, ito nang gisaka guys. Salamat kay Sir Sir Toymac Binobo Binobo Artificial Insemination located at Purok Ono, Dakudaw, Kalinan, Davao City. Muna yung landress guys. Yan yung i-pick up guys no. Dagang salamat Sir Sir, ayang Facebook ani Sir guys kay Sir Rick Obunib. Ayan tinod nga lang Toymac Binobo Binobo Artificial Insemination and AI Services located at Purok Ono, Dakudaw, Kalinan, Davao City. Shout out mo dia Sir Simong AI Services. Going na yung landress dia Sir. Going na ang landress dia guys. Kisa to kanang paliwat sa kapan ng landress. Dia sa Kalinan, Davao. Tabok nas busing guys. Shout out din mo Sir Toy Binobo Binobo AI Services. Okay na guys. Pila ka kilo dyan? 216 kilos guys. 216 kilos. Guys, suke pasaka guys no. Ako kay ni guys. Dex dala sako ta. Yun na ang ulo dire. Ang ulo dire. Shout out Sir Rick Obone bayang Facebook Toy Binobo. Ta inatras ta. Nah guys. Landress ni Sir Rick Obone Toy Binobo AI Services. Balik ko na to guys located at Purok Ono, Dakudaw, Kalinan, Davao City. Shout out mo siya Sir. Going na landress dia taga Kalinan, kisa to taga Kalinan guys.